Houston auto repair shops have a secret weapon: AI mode in Google search. Imagine a digital brain boosting your local mechanic like never before. Picture a car struggling on the road. Now, picture that same car getting fixed faster because Google's AI pinpoints the best shop instantly. But here's the twist. It's not just tech magic. America's Best Shop's marketing agency fuels this AI power, putting Houston's mechanics on the map like stars in a galaxy. Local repair shops? Suddenly, they're the superheroes your car never knew it needed. Customers find trustworthy services in seconds, and shops get busier than ever. The result? Happier drivers, thriving businesses, and a city that just keeps moving. AI isn't replacing mechanics, it's upgrading their entire game. Want to see your local garage become Houston's next big success story? It starts with understanding this game-changing partnership. So, what if AI could tune up your life too? Would you trust a machine to find the best help, or do you stick to old habits? Drop your thoughts and let's drive this conversation forward.